What's going on, guys? We are back. Just got done working charger, so that'll be on the dyno. You'll see that video shortly. But got the EVO back here. Bought some new relays for it, so they're notorious for going bad. So three like relays, and then this larger one. So there's the part numbers. The two different types, but you go to the fuse box, you could pretty easily see it's the green ones. So, and I believe this one right here. So let's go to the fuse box. Looks like we got H, and then K, which is injectors, and then N. So HKN, we'll swap those out. Pretty easy to do. So these may have been already swapped, but I don't want to take any chances. If this thing runs lean, it'll blow up again, and we'll be back to square one. Yeah, there. Go on. So H, K, and N. All right, and this one should be S to replace. So this big one. Oop. Boom. All right. Well, that was easy. Easy insurance. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So what you guys missed is got the back seat out, work on the fuel pump. Can't lie, recorded it all, and my my son had snapped the memory card in half, so can't make these things up. All right, so got the fuel pump out, fuel pump hat, and let's show you what I got in this replacement. So in light of making this run on corn,
from the earth I rise, and to the earth I one day will return. What's up, mother shuckers? My name is Colonel Cornelius Cornwall, and I'm here today to introduce you to corn.
Deatschwerks, I think I'm saying that right, Deatschwerks. There's the kit. Looks like we have some crimping or soldering to do. Have to set that up. Sweet sticker in the back. There's that. Alright, got a Deatschwerks 65. So intake fuel pump. Good for 265 liter per hour. That's just 40 psi, so good enough. And compatibility with ethanol-based fuels right there. That's what we need, because turbo cars run real well on corn. So there's the meat and potatoes, and so here's the stock pump. Pulled that out, and again pulled that out and lost all the footage. So stock pump, Deatschwerks, 265 liter per hour. Let's get installed. So it comes with this pigtail. I'm not going to use it because factory one is not corroded or cracked or anything. So I'm just going to stick this one back in there. and I know it works. Look at that beauty. Someone's taking this one off, sliding it right on there. There's that in that. Comes with this nice sock, fuel sock. Slips right on there. Pull out this old O-ring. Lube up this new one. Nope. Have it seated down there like that. All right, look at that. Look at that. Done and done. Plugged in, Deatschwerks, ready to go. So what's up, guys? Got a funnel, a big jug of gas. Let's see if I can get some of it in there. This is how everybody should fuel their cars. This incognito E85 fuel pump in, so go ahead and get it installed. This filled up the gas tank, but forgot to grab this bad rider. That's the feed. So all my fuel lines go like that. So these nipples face the driver's side.
Yeah, jam that in the gas bucket. Yeah. We'll shoot fireballs at it. Yeah. We gotta step way back. It's gonna be fun.
It is spring loaded, so. Pressure, the green clip,